If you're here because you want to make daily income trading cryptocurrency on Binance, you're in the right place. This is Similolu. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Now, Binance is a popular cryptocurrency platform where you can buy and sell not just Bitcoins, but a range of other altcoins. In a minute, we'll go over to Binance. I'll show you how to open an account. I'll show you how to save money on trading fees. I'll purchase cryptocurrency and sell it with a stop limit. Now, everybody knows that in trading, you've got to be ready for the wins. We all love those wins, but you've also got to be ready for those losses. Using a stop loss will ensure that even if you do lose, it's not going to break the bank. But what we're interested in is how to win. There's so much to learn. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, like the video, share it with your friends and family, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get right into it. The very first thing you want to do is to create your own free Binance account. Now, if you don't have one already, I do have a link and a referral code in the description box below. It doesn't cost you anything to click on it and create your account, and I really would appreciate you opening your account with my referral code. Once you put in all your details, then the next thing is to click Create. And there you have your new account. I'm going to log in because I already have an account. Now, Binance will allow you purchase Bitcoin on their platform, but you will need to go through extra security checks in order to be able to do this. All I do is I purchase my Bitcoin on Gemini, and then I transfer it to Binance. It shows you your balance. If you do have anything in it, it actually allows you use this privacy button just for privacy. It will show you any fiat currency, and it'll show you a list of your different altcoins that you have purchased. Highlighting the trade button gives you different trading views. For the purpose of this video, I will click on Basic. Over here, there are a bunch of trading pairs that you can trade with. These are cryptocurrencies that are paired with the US dollar. When I click on Bitcoin, then I have those coins that you can trade with Bitcoin. And then you have USD, coins that are paired with BUSD, which is an altcoin, or USDT. So you have a range of choices here as far as which pairs you would want to trade. Now, before we go into any trading, I'm going to show you how you can get that extra discount on your trading fees. Now, no matter the platform on which you trade, you're going to have to pay fees. But on Binance, you actually get a 25% discount off of your fees if you make sure you have some Binance coin in your wallet. Now, first, we're going to select our Bitcoin Binance coin pair by clicking Bitcoin. And here it is. We'll click on it. And down here, where we have this little calculator where it says transaction fees, you can see that it's giving us that 25% discount only if we use BNB. Let's click on details. And there it is. For your spot trading, you're going to have to pay 0.1%. Whenever you buy or sell crypto, you're going to have to pay 0.5% fees. However, just by default, simply holding the BNB coin ensures that you get this 25% discount to ensure that you're paying the lowest possible fees, which is why we need to purchase some BNB. If we go to the top of the screen, it tells us the actual price of BNB. So one BNB coin will cost us $27.29, but we don't need to buy a whole coin. We just need to hold enough of the coin such that we can pay our fees. Now, to have an idea of what our fees are, we'll pull up a calculator. So doing the math on that, $100 trade would cost you, multiplying this $100 by this discounted figure here, that would cost you 7 cents, 7.5 cents, where normally it would have cost you 10 cents. Now this is a nominal amount, but it can quickly add up if you are a heavy trader. I don't really have a lot of BNB, so all I have is 18 cents worth of BNB. I want probably a little more than that, so I'm going to purchase some. I probably want closer to about $5, so I want to purchase about a quarter of this amount, 0.25. So let's go down here, 0.25, pick it up at market, and there is my buy order created there for 0.25 worth of BNB. So that increases the amount of BNB that I have to about 1/3 of a coin. Now we can move into our actual trade. For today, I will be buying some Ethereum. And this is a coin that I have traded in the past, and it's just one of those coins I really don't mind holding on to. So what I'm going to do is, up here where you have the symbol of a wallet, it tells you how much you have available to use for your purchase. So I have this amount, and I only want to spend half of it buying Ethereum. So I'm going to click on 50%. Now, purchasing at market price is great for those times when you just want to pick up that coin and you're not really bothered about the price at which you purchase it. It's also good for beginner traders who don't want to get bothered or may not necessarily know the ins and outs of setting specific price limits. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to purchase my ETH at market price. I'm only going to use 25% of my funds to make this purchase. I'm going to click buy. It tells me a market buy order has been created and it has been submitted to the exchange market. My order has gone through and I have to wait. And here it is. There's my trade history. It tells me I have purchased 0.067 of ETH using my Bitcoin. Now that I've purchased Ethereum with 25% of what I had available, if I choose to sell it, it tells me how much I have available to sell. So I could decide to now sell it at this point. Once I click on 50%, it populates right here under the amount. So this is equivalent to half the amount of Ethereum that I own, half of this figure up here. The current price is 0.034134. If I wanted to sell at market, this is the price at which it would sell my Ethereum. However, with a limit order, I want to be more specific. So I don't want to sell at the market price. I want to hold out for more. So I could decide, instead of this figure that ends with 134, I want to sell it at 188. So if I click on that, it actually populates my seller's box over here. So now I can say limit order. When the price gets to this amount, then I want it to sell 50% of the Ethereum that I own. So once I click on sell ETH, limit sell order has been created and it has been submitted for this amount. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. If I click on yours, it'll show me exactly the selling order that I just submitted to the exchange. Moving on to using a stop limit, I'll take another quarter of my ETH, but this time I'm going to sell it with a stop limit order. This one. With a stop limit order, first I'm going to specify the price at which I want to sell my ETH. Right now the going price is 0.033357, but I want to sell it for 0.033514. So right now the price is, let's take the last three digits. The last three digits here are 357, but I want to sell it for 514. So what I can say is, because I want to sell it at 514, I can say when the price gets to 500, set a limit order for it to sell at 514. So this is a scenario where price is increasing from 357 ending here. It's increasing to 500. So when it hits 500, I now have set the system up with my stop limit to create a limit order to sell at 514. 25% sell ETH. If the last price rises to or above the 500 BTC, an order to sell this amount of ETH at a price of 514 ending will be placed. So let's place that order. And this is how you can decide that once you've bought an altcoin, you can set either a limit order or a stop limit order to sell at whatever percentage you want to get from that transaction. So if I want to get 5% on what I've purchased, then I'll simply increase the purchase price of my ETH by 5% or whatever percentage I want to get out of the transaction. This, my friends, is how you can make profit off your cryptocurrency trades. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, don't forget to drop me that like. It really helps small channels like mine grow faster on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel so you have quick access to my videos as soon as I upload them to YouTube. And don't forget to hit that bell, and I'll meet you on the next video.